All right, first off, we're going to remove the 4 screws that hold the housing on. Next, you remove the 2 screws for the center console. Back slightly. Remove the shifter housing console. Shifter knob. Turn this one sideways, flip it upside down. And on the inside here, you'll see some tabs that hold the boot in to the shifter housing. Leave the boot on. Next, we will remove the shifter boot screws, 4 of them. We'll remove the shifter boot. Remove the shifter retaining ring. And remove the 4-wheel drive snap ring. The shifter just comes right out. And there is all your stock components. Remove the stock shifter cup. Install the 2 half moons. This piece just slips in. Next, we're going to remove all 4 bolts for the shifter housing. Remove the stock shifter housing, factory housing. Install your shifter cup like so. With some brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner and a clean rag, you want to wipe off the surface, your gasket surface, to prevent any future oil leaks. Installing this is a little tricky, so here's a little bit of a trick. We're going to put this together. Turn it sideways. So you can see you're working with really limited room here. Makes it very tricky to maneuver. Just like that. You tighten down the bolts, you're ready for assembly. If you look here, you can see that the vent baffle here is sprung up lightly. You can take a screwdriver and just pry this up just a hair so that you have full extension of your springs so that your transmission case will ventilate properly. Bolting down these two forward bolts can be a little difficult, so without disrupting too much of your gasket surface, which is here and here, you can put a couple small notches in, maybe not so high, so you can get in with the swivel to try to tighten those up. If not, we've got a special wrench we made. Just makes it a lot more time consuming going together, but it's functional. On the assembly, you're just going to reverse your disassembly.